Hi there Paul, this is Matt from Prestige Quoting, hope you're well. In this very short video we'll be having a very brief look at how I'm imagining you might be able to handle your rooms for care homes and quoting going forwards. So within QuoteWerks you have the concept of what it calls a product database, but I'm imagining we can use that for each of the rooms within your care homes. So down the left hand side you can see I've got a product database there with folders below for each of the care homes that you work with. So for example I can click through and each of these will have the rooms specific to that care home. So let's say for example I need to do a quote for flooring for room 1 and room 2 for care home A. So you can see it's pulled through all that information, the dimensions are there for me already. And I'm just going to add some custom further detail. I'm just going to say something like standard carpeting. I'm going to very quickly copy that line and just say if we want some laminate wood flooring, which could well have a different price. So let's just say, for example, that the standard carpet is going to be £1 and the wood flooring is going to be £2. We'll do the same there for room 2. So I'll just do a bit of copy and paste just here. And even though the rooms are the same size, I'm just going to again just set some different prices just there. Now obviously here are where we're going to be presenting the client two options, and we're in effect going to ask them to make a choice. So very quickly I'm just going to mark these as optional, where I'm asking the client to make a choice, and similarly for room 2 just there. Again, very quickly I'm going to put in a heading line and we'll see how QuoteWerks displays this differently. So room 1 options and room 2 options. I've already added a comment line that makes it clear to the client that these prices all include installation and fitting. I would then go through, populate my client details, any more information that we need to be capturing. Okay, so now at this point, if I go and add some client information, and I'll just choose anyone from that list. If I now save the document, I might call it Care Home A, Flooring, Room 1 and 2. QuoteWerks is now going to give that the next available reference number. And all of that information is now going to get presented onto a customized template. I'll send a couple of examples to you. I've had to change my screen resolution so it changes the look and feel a bit. But we can also present this quote online. So I'll choose my standard template just there. And what it's going to do now, it's going to take all of that quote information, it's going to throw that onto a customized web page. And let's have a look at what this looks like. So, as I say, completely customizable versions. We can run through and see that very easily for the client, they're able to choose the option they prefer. So our quote with our recommended options came out at £3.50. But if a client were to go for the wood flooring option, then that quote becomes £5.50. Very easily from any web-enabled device, they'd be able to actually accept that quote, which would send you a notification. And if you wanted to, it would also enable them to make payment. So integrating with payment gateway tools like PayPal or SagePay, you can get that payment directly, or at least give the option for the client to make payment for you automatically. Hope that's useful, Paul. Hope that's the start of a conversation. I look forward to hearing from you soon.